Troopers, welcome to Tuesday. It's Tuesday, Annie. It's Tuesday and not bad weather. I'm predicting we're going to have a lot of warm weather today and tomorrow and for the rest of the week, I believe. And I've had a haircut. Can you see? Yep, I've had a haircut. Don't ask me which one. The one with the bandage. Right. I've got the answer to Monday's brain teaser. Which extinct animal would you bring back? And the majority of people around the country or around the world were surveyed, and they came up with one type, which one was it?
Woolly mammoth.
Woolly mammoth.
Yeah.
Oh, the woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth is the answer. Right, today is still on animals. The survey question is still on animals, but you've got to tell me how many animals, right, are in the Amazon jungle or the Amazon rainforest. How many different species of animals and insects total are there in the Amazon rainforest? So you have to not count. You have to estimate what you think is the amount of animals and insects in the Amazon rainforest and come up with a number. And it is in the millions. That's all I'm going to say, isn't it? Yeah. No clues, just that. It's in the millions. Okay. And we have a video. Yeah, we have a video, which is only about 1.5 minutes, I would say, about all these different species. You see some? Okay, we're back in about 1.5 minutes. See you soon. We're back with your answers now. I don't know what's going on. Not many people have come back. I've given you plenty of time to answer, but obviously being the weather it is, maybe lots of you doing different things like I've been doing, uprooting and planting trees today. We've been doing DIY and all that kind of thing, so I don't blame you for not looking in at the question. But the people that have looked in at the question, I'm going to give you the answers, and straight away we're going to come in with Top Dog X, the winner this week. Top Dog X, or today, Selena, she's come in with the correct answer, woolly mammoth. Well done, Selena. Yeah? Yeah. So now the other answers, there's not that many. We've got Big Charlie's Model Garage in Ohio in America, and he said the heath hen. Sharon Carlisle from Liverpool. Yeah, dodo. She said the dodo. Funko Freddy and Cole, he also went with a dodo. Gary Biker, he went with T-Rex, who is a dinosaur. That's what I was thinking, sorry. Yes, T-Rex is a very fierce dinosaur. And last but not least is Lisa Barker, and she also went with a dodo. But the answer was the woolly mammoth, wasn't it, Annie? What would you have gone for? What would you have gone for? Which one would you have gone for to bring back? A dodo, yeah? Yeah. Right, your music to the I'm losing it. The Amazon rainforest is called Rainforest Canopy by Music in the Other. The music is Rainforest Canopy by Music in the Other. A strange name, isn't it? Yeah? Right, okay. Hopefully Wednesday we'll get some more answers from this particular question than we have today, but it doesn't matter. As long as you all play and enjoy playing, I will carry on. But we will see how it pans out this week. Hopefully we get a few more. Okay, say goodbye, Annie. Bye-bye. Annie, bye-bye from? And bye-bye from me. All the very best, and bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.